guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. Today we're going to be working on our dryer here. This is a Whirlpool, and I'll put in a picture of the model number and serial number and everything so you can see that. And what's going on with this thing is the door switch doesn't work sometimes. So if you slam the door really hard, it seems like it just doesn't work. If you kind of take it easy and click it in there slow, it works sometimes. So what I've got here is a factory certified part from Whirlpool, and here's the part number for you. There's the part number and what's going on there. So there's what the door switch looks like, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. So here are the tools you'll need. Number 2 Phillips and a smaller, this is a cabinet tip 3/16 or so straight blade screwdriver. First thing we're going to do is remove the lint trap, and there's 2 Phillips screws right here. These 2 come out. Alright, put those in a safe place so you lose them like I do. And then over here for the lid has to come up. So right here in the lid, I already started on this one so I can show you. See how it latches in there? There's a little plastic tab right here you got to push, and then the lid will pop up. And then I need to wedge a little something underneath of there to hold it up. So once you get the lid loose, I just place something underneath of there to hold up the lid so I can get to the connector that's over there. So here's the door switch located on the top right hand side of the door that opens. There's 2 number 2 Phillips screws right here, number 2 head, and they just lefty loosen right out of there. And here's what those screws look like. Once the screws are removed from the switch, you can go ahead and pull the switch out and the connector, and there's 2 little kind of clamps. I just stretch them out of the way. We're going to throw the switch away anyways. On the front and the back of this connector, so you got to kind of pry those out and get that off of there. So here's the old one. This lasted maybe 15 years, maybe just a little bit more than that. That's not too bad. So it looks like the switch broke, and I'll show you. So here's the new switch. It looks like there's 3 wires on here. I'm not sure what the 3rd wire is for, but this is the part number that it crossed over to. So this must just be an old one. This is probably a universal switch or something like that. But yeah, it looks like this whole tab broke off of the old one. So let's go ahead and get this new one in there and fire it up. Installation is reverse of the removal, so that just clips right on there just like that. The switch will just lay down in here, and I'll get it started in the hole that it needs to go into. You can see we have the new switch installed into its place. It's kind of tricky. You got to get these screws in there and then get them started in the new holes in the switch. And these are cutting threads into the new plastic body. So I left the lid undone while I'm testing the new switch out. I'm going to close the door and gently, and we're going to turn it to air fluff. We don't need any heat right now for this. We're going to push the button and see if it works. And I open the door to turn it off. Well, that works great. So what we're going to do now is just put these screws back in place, put the lid back down, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.